Number 4, please. It's a question of destiny. This is why you will see many people are knocking off. When people are knocking off, the first thing that they are thinking about is, if I can just quickly get home. If I can just quickly get home. If I can just quickly get home. It's a question of destiny. Where am I going? Where am I going? Many people are simply going to 2 places. They are simply going home. They are just knocking off to go home. Knocking off to go home. This is why you see, because there's lack of potential, there will also be lack of destiny. Where am I going? Some of us, we think that we have arrived. I'm telling you, no matter what you have achieved, there is nothing more threatening to success than previous success. The fact that you succeeded to the extent where you are successful now, it is more threatening to your existence than even failure. Because failure is a master teacher. It is an uncomfortable teacher. It is a teacher that tells you to not be comfortable where you are at. But success sometimes, it's a over glorified zone to stay in. This is why many people are saying, if I can just knock off and get home. When they get home, they are just getting off just to watch TV, just to, follow up the program again and wake up again to go to the place that they say they just want to simply leave, to go to another place that they say they want to also simply leave. Where are you going? It's a question of what? The question of destiny. Where are you going? It's a question of destiny. I was speaking one day to an old man, asking him, where are you going? He said, I'm going to the grave. He couldn't wait after retirement just for him to go to just as low as the grave. Where are you going? Are you going to look for something bigger, something better, something more than yourself? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?